Hey, it's Lindsay Delorier from Bolton Valley. This week's featured ride is Lavine's to Lavine's Connector, Racecourse to Bottom Out. Featured riders are Corinne from Skeeta in the pink sleeves, me in the black t-shirt, and Rosie wearing the cam. Okay, here we are at the top. Let's ride. So right at the top of Lavine's, you're gonna see you can go left right there with the blue arrow to the B line, or follow us down the A line. Little drop around the corner there, and you can go right over that rock, as it turns out. Here comes Rosie. Yeah. It stays tricky for a little bit, and then right through there is a little pinch, but just go right through it. Don't hesitate. And then you'll come out here onto the open slope where we had to stop and celebrate.
Yes!
Okay, then go across the open slope and you're gonna go into Lavine's Connector here. You'll be psyched after coming out of Lavine's, feeling like you got this, but don't take it for granted. It's some loose rocks here at the bottom, and there you go. Okay, back on our bikes, and right now you come out of Lavine's Connector, you go left onto Double Down for a quick second. This will look familiar to you, and then you go left right there, back across the open slope, across the work road, and you enter into Racecourse. And Corinne is out of sight. Kind of come around. You can keep your speed up through Racecourse. Right here, we're about to go by Corinne. She's checking out that drop. I just rode by it. A little rocky, but you can pedal right through everything. Don't even worry.
Ow! Slippery right there.
Come out on the open slope, right back into the woods. So fun.
Stopping!
That little double goes clean.
And then up here, you can go right or left. We're taking a right. And if you go right, you're gonna come out, little sort of drop down, and then up onto the work road. If you chose to go left, it's fine. There's just a big boulder in the middle that you kind of got to navigate, so we chose
Should we
right.
wait for everybody? I guess not.
That's where you'd come out if you went left. And then just bomb down the work road for a second, and we're on our way to Bottom Out. Down here, kind of stay left where the work road V's or Y's. Stay left right there, and then you're gonna peel right there into little jump right into Bottom Out. Rosie took that next jump, cross the work road and back in, and you can just rip right through here as fast as you can. Little jump in the middle, and this is so fun. What a fun way to end a ride.
Woo! Yeah!
And then you're back down at Wilderness, and that's this week's featured run. Have fun.